Big Herc 916, positivity, motivation, never settle for average. You know how we do it over here. Go pick you up some merch at bigherc916.com. Hey man.
What up, man? How you doing, man?
Hey, it's going down out here, man, in Huntington Beach. Another big car show. About to go check out cars and copters. So stay tuned, subscribe, support the channel, like this video. Let me know what your favorite is. Big Herc. So you can see it's pretty packed down here. It's people everywhere. And I just finished breakfast, a late breakfast, because I got up really early and went to the quarantine cruise. So I'm putting in a double day of filming car videos for you guys today. Stay tuned. Oh, mad people everywhere, you guys. This thing is lit. They got helicopters in the mix, as you can see. Cars stacked up. People done paid big bread to park their cars over here, man, to floss. And this is the supercar game out here, hypercar game, whatever you want to call it. It's big money, big bread, big flossing, big stunting, the whole nine. Bugatti, you gotta have Audis out here. We're about to roll up on a little bit of everything. There's gonna be some Koenigsegg's out here, crazy helicopters, and lots and lots of people. This is the biggest show outside of probably Monterey out here on the West Coast for cars. Booyah. Pagani. And then here we have over here another one, another Pagani. 2.8, 2.5, whatever you want to say. It's up there in the millions. Mad cash. Big flossing. And we have the crazy wrap Ferrari.
Yeah, there's like 10 of them.
It's not enough that you got a Ferrari. You got to wrap that thing. Giddy up. I'm telling you, this is where it's at. The car game out here in Southern Cali, man, is just ridiculous. Everything from muscle cars to the exotics. We got a Liberty Walk body kit on a vet. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Looks pretty stealthy. It's got a black wrap on it. Gives it a different look. Haven't seen many vests with these body kits on it. Let me know what you guys think. Old school Ferrari right here. Actually raced out right here. Kind of reminds me of a 512 BBI. I'm not sure which model it is. If it's actually a 512 that's been modified, but it's pretty badass. This is a cool JDM. I'm not even sure what model this is because of the body kit on it. Maybe you guys could help me out. Could be an Infinity, I guess, too. Either one. Saw a show card out. Custom audio system. Actually, I think it's maybe an Infinity. Not too familiar with this model. Now this is different right here. This is it says a Lane Customs. Kind of looks like a combination of a modern Shelby Roadster. It's got some weird tail lights back here. Those are interesting. And kind of a mix of an old school interior with new school. Let me know what you guys think. So where else are you going to see this many Paganis in one place? Italy or Monterey. Out here in Southern California though, cats be pushing these things, man, like it's a thing to do. That carbon fiber exposed is just ridiculous. And you already know what the business is with this. The Enzo Classic. Now look at this right here, you guys. The big boy Rolls Royce. This thing kind of looks like a luxury tank. You see how big those wheels are? Insane, man. Those wheels are what? 6s? Crazy. Wow. Look how big the wheels are. Those things are humongous. This is a big boy right here. If you want to travel, you travel like this and it feels like you're on a luxury yacht. Peep that. Big baller status. Got the Speedtail. This is a very rare car. $8 car. Big bucks. And then we got somebody over here revving something crazy. Everybody's chasing them down. This is what goes on out here. People get excited over exhaust. Isn't that crazy, you guys? Everybody's chasing an exhaust. When would you think you would see this? Kids are in melee over exhaust, man. Insane out here, Huntington Beach, man. Exhaust got people running around like that behind the SVJ. That's what people pay big money for with their exhaust, man, just to make that noise. Insane. So back to the Speedtail. Very unique, very sleek. You sit in the middle, you stun on everybody, you got 2 passengers, and that's how you do it with an exclusive McLaren. So I had to go back to the rolls because they got a dog over here posing. And she's just like doing her thing, out here stunting on everybody. She knows she's on camera. Look at that. Supercar show doing her thing. I love the dog. Like I told you guys out here in Southern California, this is all day long right here. All day long, man. Different colors, like Skittles. They got them out here like Skittles. Lambo, Lambo, Lambo. Corvette. Lambo, Lambo, McLaren. Whatever you could imagine, it's out here. The wraps is what a lot of people use out here to distinguish their exotic from the next man. Because there's so many, as far as people driving the same exotic, you got to do something different. Oh yeah, it's just not that way. This is a bad boy.
All right.
The P1. This is cream de la cream right here, you guys. You already know.
Yes, we're doing $10 promo cards over at the Popo's head.
Monster. Pure monster right here.
That gets you lunch, people. If you act out, we're paying for your lunch. Hell yeah. You can't sign up right now for whatever.
Carrera GT. This car is infamous right here. One of the most notable Porsches, V10 monsters. Even the Stig spun out in this car. He said it was no joke to drive, man.
We'll even give you a shout out for the Stig.
The Porsche of all Porsches. Everything from helicopters to boats out here, you guys. Look at this. Cigarette boat. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Big money. Plain Lotus right here. The Vora. Got a pearl, like almost like a sunburst yellow on it. Pretty dope. Haven't seen it in this color before. Evora GT. Yeah, buddy. Everywhere you look, you got the, and then we got the muscle. You had the exotic, but then you got the muscle, which is cool, and it's for sale. Now, this is the type of stuff you see in Southern California. See how young this kid is driving? He's probably 19. Hey, man, when you got it, you got it. You know how you do it. Now, over at this end of the parking lot, you have cars that have also paid to park, but I think the parking down here is a different pay grade, but still you had to pay. Come over here and floss, and you do have some nice cars over here that are definitely worthy builds. Hey, this right here, this I want to say Firebird, has the main turbo, and yeah, it looked like it's not playing any games out here. Got the drag radials on it, and it's ready to kick some butt. So this is the VF Engineering booth, and VF Engineering is supercharging for the Lambos. So as you can see, this one has a full-blown supercharger in it, and these put out exceptional power. I'm not sure exactly how much, but I would say at least 800-900 minimum. Maybe 1,000 depending on the tuning. Another VF Engineering Lamborghini. And this is what the Magnuson supercharger looks like. A couple McLarens over here at the Voodoo Design booth. I'm not really sure what Voodoo Design does, but they got a few cars here. Carbon fiber Lamborghini. What you guys think of this? SSR Performance. A lot of cool dogs out here today. He looked like he's a little thirsty. Conan Sig. You got Thor. This is a very famous Koenigsegg right here. It's been featured in a bunch of different YouTube videos, and I believe the owner has a couple of them. Actually, I'm gonna show you the other one he has. So this is Vader, the other Koenigsegg that the same owner owns, Thor. You know you're clowning when you have two Koenigseggs that have crazy names. Insane cars, man.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, please remain.
This is a monster right here. I'm not even sure what car this is. You know what kind of car this is?
Apollo IE.
Wow, Apollo. I thought I seen it on what is it, on Top Gear. This is crazy right here. An Apollo. Never seen one of these in the States, bro. Let me get a good look at this thing. Wow, this is pretty incredible. When you talk about supercars, this is a super rare supercar. Wow. An Apollo.
117
Insane.
miles per hour.
Got a McLaren Senna.
That generates speed.
Another $1 million hypercar.
55 to 160 is where he runs out of curve.
Driving by, we said it was the Batmobile, dude.
Oh, that's right.
The Zonda, what started it all for Pagani. Remember Wyclef? John had one of these. Another Zonda. Heading out in the Boattail Speedster. I know you're not the average motherfucker, so I got some merch for you. Never settle for average, because we ain't the average motherfuckers. Tank tops, t-shirts, never settle for average, because we ain't the average motherfuckers. Got them hats. Got them hats, man. BigHerc916.com. Pick you up some merch. Limited, very limited. I'm not going to have a bunch of these because there's only a limited edition of people who ain't the average motherfuckers. Lockdown's over. Get your yard time in. Exclusively at FreshOutSeries.com. Hello, I'm Big Herc 916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.